Very good evening, everyone. This is once again Sasunian Prem signing in. And well, normally what I do is I make videos about traveling. Yes, I do travel vlogs, but today there's something different. Today is the first time that I'm doing an unboxing of something. I've waited 9 days for this product. Actually, this product is from China. This is a gimbal and the cheapest gimbal that you can find in market. So without wasting much time, let's get on to the real deal and let's just do the unboxing. All right. So this is the main thing, and well, they've added some kind of protection to the gimbal, which is a good thing. So let's get started. Let's open this and let's see what's on the inside. So yes, this is the gimbal that I was talking about. This basically cost me 3,200 rupees, not even 3,200 rupees. In fact, it cost me around 3,164 rupees. So just to round it up on the round figure, I just told you 3,200 rupees. And well, this is a 2-axis gimbal. It's XCam Site 2. Okay, so I'll be opening the box now and I'll be showing you how this looks from the inside. So this is the main box and now I'm opening this. So this is done. Why is it so hard? Okay, it's sealed from this side too. It was kind of foolish of me not to look at both the sides while opening this thing. Well, this is the main box, and after opening this thing, these are the contents of the box. This is the main gimbal, XCam Site 2, and this out here is the instruction manual. This will actually help you set up your phone with the gimbal. And the small rod which you see out here, this is called a helix wrench. This is basically used to adjust the gravity of the gimbal. The small screw which you can see out here, it's basically used to adjust that. And these are thickening pads. These are basically provided just in case your phone is too small for the gimbal. And this is the certificate of quality or the warranty. I forgot about it. Well, that's not very important, I guess. And this, you can switch on your phone's camera and you can scan this thing and it'll directly link to the site where it is provided how you are supposed to use the gimbal. And last but not least, this is the pouch which is used to keep your gimbal. Basically, it goes like this. So without using the gimbal, the footage is something like this. It's starting to get a bit dark. Well, now you can see the footage, how it looks when I use a gimbal. So this is how the quality of the footage is like when I'm using the gimbal. You have already watched how it actually is without the gimbal, and well, there is my friend Salim. You can look at it. Well, I'm moving, I'm going round and round, and this is stable. It actually does the work which it's supposed to do. So a big thumbs up to XCam. I hope you guys liked how the gimbal works in real life, and well, some points about the gimbal. Well, you can't use a cell phone with a screen size of more than 5.5 inches with a gimbal. It's written out here. And this is actually a Bluetooth compatible gimbal. You have to charge the gimbal, and the charging time for this gimbal is 2 to 3 hours. And well, it's provided with a 1000 mAh battery. And the weight of this gimbal is roughly 190 grams. Well, if you are interested in seeing some of my travel vlogs, then you can subscribe to my channel, because basically I'll be traveling and I'll be recording, and that is the reason why I've bought this gimbal. Basically, I'm a student and that's why I couldn't afford a very costly one, but I hope this will work really well in the future. So as this was the first time that I used that gimbal, I wasn't very comfortable, I wasn't very comfortable using that, but hopefully in the days to come, after using it for around 5 or 6 times, I'll be more comfortable, and well, I'll be able to take more better shots. And well, this is all for today. And if you did really like my today's video, a very informative one, I do believe. Well, I'm not really sure about it. If you did really like my video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. And as always, if you're interested in watching some travel vlogs, my travel vlogs basically, then you can subscribe to my channel. This is your boy Sasonian Priyam signing off. Well, thank you so very much to everyone who has watched this video till the very end, and cheers to life. Thank you. Bye bye.